Hi guys, welcome to Marcy's in the kitchen. Today guys we're going to make some rice porridge. And guys, it's a very nice porridge if you know how to make it. So guys, when you're making the rice porridge, you have to know the amount of rice you're going to put inside of the water. Because guys, the rice is very it swell a lot. And guys, if you don't know what you're doing, you're going to tick up on you. You're not cooking this rice to be eaten, you're making porridge. So you have to know the amount to put inside of it. And guys, you're going to boil until it's very soft out. You're not going to see any grain again. You're going to turn like soup. Everything going to solve out and turn like soup. So guys, and that is when you know you're going to sweeten it and you're going to put in whatever you're going to put inside of it. So guys, stay tuned. So guys, it's time for me to get in the water. I'm going to put in about a cup and a half of water first inside of it. And I'm going to put 2 cinnamon leaves inside of it to cook. Stay tuned. So guys, as you can see, the cinnamon leaf is boiling. So guys, it's time for me to get in our coconut milk inside of the water now. And guys, we're going to allow it to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, and I get in the rice inside of it. It's time for me to remove the cinnamon leaf. I'm going to get in the rice inside of it. Guys, remember that it's a porridge making, so we're going to allow the rice to be cooked. And if you see your rice cooking guys and getting to be, your water is drying out, you have to add more water inside of it. So guys, look on it. You see the water is drying out a little bit out of it, and guys, the rice still do not cook because it has to cook till it cook out. You don't see no grain inside of it. So guys, you know what I'm going to do now? I'm going to add a small amount of water inside of it. And allow it to stay there and cook. And guys, don't cover it. Don't put any cover on the pot. So guys, look at it, you see it? Turning soup now. We still have a good little way to go. And I still have to add more water into it. So guys, look on it. Turning soup. And guys, you see the amount of rice that I use, I say swell. So guys, I'm going to put in my nutmeg inside of it now. Some vanilla inside of it. About 2 teaspoons of vanilla I'm going to put inside of it. And guys, I'm going to put a little amount of salt, a small amount of salt. You know, my porridge just taste of salt. Guys, I can smell it. So guys, it's turning soup now. So guys, I'm going to drop in a little more spice inside of it. So guys, look on it. All of the rice grain cook right out. Guys, it takes about 25 to 30 minutes to make this porridge. You have to allow the rice grain to cook out until it turns soft. So now it's time for me to sweeten my porridge. And guys, I love to use my tin milk. Sweeten it. I bet it's tin milk. I love to use it to sweeten my porridge. You can smell the vanilla and all the spice that goes inside of it. The cinnamon leaf, all different type of tea spice. You can smell the nutmeg coming out of it, guys. So guys, I finished sweetening, but I'm going to taste it if it's sweet enough. Guys, I need a small amount more of milk inside of it. Guys, I don't really put sugar into my porridge. But you know guys, if you want to put sugar inside of the porridge, you can put it inside of it. But I love to taste straight milk inside of my porridge. I'll do Jamaican people talk, straight milk. I love to taste pea milk inside of my porridge, guys. So I don't put sugar into my porridge. I'm going to taste it again and see if it needs anything else inside of it.